Hello again, friends. Welcome back to another unboxing, or in this case, it's an unbagging. So, this is a Homfy waterproof mattress protector. Grab this for a full-sized mattress here. Okay, comes with a nice little bag that appears to be reusable. Take that out. Dun dun dun. Okay. So it is it claims to be 100% waterproof and breathable, which is nice. Eco-friendly material, face made of bamboo fiber, so that's cool. Dust mites resistant and hypoallergenic. Fitted sheet style design with deep pockets. So right on. All right, in here. Okay, it's not like super soft, but it's not something that's going to bother you either. I mean, normally you don't sleep on a fitted sheet anyways. I don't think so, at least. Some cardboard. So, usually this goes down over the mattress, and then you have another, at least that's what we did when we have our different mattress. This one's for the kids, obviously. We have another one, but we put a waterproof cover on our king size. We bought a brand new mattress, so definitely you want to protect your mattress from getting wet. So put a nice waterproof cover on there, and then put another like regular fitted sheet over the top of it. Although, I mean, this is not uncomfortable. You could sleep on top of this, but we put another fitted sheet like on top of the fitted mattress protector. So I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do. That's just how we do it. So thanks for watching this unboxing. I will be doing a demonstration as I put this on the mattress and pour some water on here to see how waterproof it really is. So we'll see you soon, and take care out there.
Hey there, friends. We're going to be testing out this mattress protector to see if it really is waterproof or not. So here I have a glass of water and the mattress protector. Okay, now I'm just going to check underneath here. Is the water getting through? So it looks like it's absorbing into the outer layer here, or the top layer, but underneath it is still dry. So there is no water getting through at all here. And it's just kind of being absorbed. Well, not, it's just kind of spreading out, as you can see, into this kind of softer exterior, but as far as the water getting through, it's just sitting there. So as you can see, it's not going through, and that's a good thing, so your mattress doesn't get wet. Alright, so here it is on the mattress, and it fits nicely. This is a full mattress. It's a little thinner than some mattresses. It's probably 8 inches maybe thick, and this has more room to go over a thicker mattress, probably half, again, as much as that, or twice as much as that. So it fits nice. It is waterproof. Let's get on with the final review.
Welcome back, friends. A final thoughts and review on the Homfy Premium Hypoallergenic Waterproof Mattress Cover. So it is waterproof, just like it says. You saw me with the demonstration there earlier, pouring water on it, and the water does not get through. So kind of important if you have a nice mattress that you want to protect, you get a nice mattress protector cover. And this was definitely waterproof. It's not going to allow any fluids or liquids to get through to damage your mattress. So the fit was nice. It fit well on I have a full size for my son, and The mattress is a little older, so this was a deep pocket fitted sheet, like I mentioned before, so it's about 14 inches thick, as most mattresses are nowadays. So I think the mattress I placed it on was approximately 8 inches thick or so. Still, the fit was nice, as the cloth of the comfort part was nicely the dimensions of the top of the mattress. It is it is soft. It's not scratchy or anything. So pretty much you buy a mattress protector to protect your mattress, and I see no reason why this one wouldn't do a good job of that. So thanks for watching this review. I was pleasantly surprised with this. You guys have a great day out there, and I will see you next time. Take care now. ETPC out.